Hi friends, in this video I'm just going to share how to resolve this no signal issue on AverMedia or Elgato. If you are using AverMedia capture card for your PS5 console, there is a fix. So I'm going to tell you that. First thing what we need to do is directly connect this HDMI cable from TV to PS5 console. So already I have connected it to TV. So I'm going to connect it to PS5 console. So it's connected. So log in with your user ID. Just go to settings. You need to go to settings. See, there is no signal now on AverMedia because I have disconnected. So scroll down to system, choose system, and here right HDMI is there. So under this enable HDMI, right, we need to disable it. So I have disabled it. See, it should be turned off. It should be turned off. Enable HDCP. Now it will work perfectly. So going back, going to remove this. I have removed TV to PS5 HDMI cord. Going to insert it to AverMedia capture card, and this capture card cable to this input right from capture card. So I'm going to insert it in PS5 console. Done. So successfully inserted on PS5 console. Super cool. Now turn on the TV. Also, I'm going to check my capture card. It's working fine. So it's perfectly working, friends, and AverMedia, everything. So whatever right you are seeing here, the same thing here it is. Even if you are having Elgato gaming capture, right, the same issue will be occurred. So you can fix in that way. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please put your comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye.